Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add discount codes in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click on your dashboard and then click here on discounts. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see discount codes here and you want to create a discount code. Now you have option to let's go with the spring sale here, or summer sale, or winter sale. Now you have option to choose between a percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, and buy X get Y, right? We can go okay, discount code, winter sale, we can go with the free shipping or percentage. These things are really simple to understand. I don't think that I need to talk about it that much. Like percentage, 10% off your price. Then fixed amount is for every order you are going to get the discount code. €5 or $5. Then you get free shipping, all countries. And then you have minimum requirements. So if you have minimum purchase amount 50, you will get free shipping, right? Customer eligibility, everyone. Specific group of customers, specific customers, you can have everyone. You can also limit the number of times this discount can be used. And then you can have active dates, start date, and you can also set the end date, right? So we got free shipping here that I can choose. Now I would save discount code. And what can I do is just simply take I can promote it through email, etc. When I would click on discounts, I can see it right here. And now I can send the email that, okay, hey guys, you can use the discount code and it's going to be all right. So that's what you can do. And it's really simple and really easy. And yeah, then you get automatic discounts here. This is going to be automatically added. Again, percentage fixed amount. And for every order that you will get, again, you will get €5. Minimum purchase amount. Nice. It's really simple, right? So again, when I would create a new discount, I can create the discount code. Fixed amount 5. I can go spring sale. You can also apply to specific collection, minimum requirements. So this is the minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items 5, and you would get €5 off. Customizability, so everyone. Usage limit, I can use it only 20 times. And you have active dates here. So I would just save discount code. And yeah, and then I would just promote it. And then when someone will be buying at checkout, he would just write spring sale or winter sale and he would get free shipping or €5 off. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.